Hey everyone, welcome back. Welcome back. This is the Wargaming Guy, and we are continuing our playthrough of Sandstorm. We are in the midst of Operation Crusader, and I'll tell you what, this has been a heck of a little game here. The Allied offensive has pushed us, definitely pushed us, and as you can see, we've been nibbling away here at Tobruk, which is one of our minor, I guess you could call it, victory conditions, but I don't know. I keep running into things I have to do, and I can't get any troops down there to Tobruk, any German troops, so I guess we'll see. It looks like we've moved everything. Let's see. No. What have we not moved? Okay, yeah, we've got all these guys down here that we haven't moved, that we're not moving, so let's continue. Let the AI roll itself out here. Oh, here we go. Oh, shoot. Look at that. Man took a point off my tanks. All right, we're pushing these guys back, which is good. Got to protect Gambit Airfield. Uh-oh. Ooh, run away. Run away, Italians. Run away. Uh-oh. Yeah, wow. He's dead. Crud. Yeah. Killed him. Deader than a doornail. Dang it. Alright, gave as good as we got there. We do have one German unit here that we, oh boy, they're getting serious here. I'm kind of surprised, actually, that they didn't try and break out here, where they basically essentially broke out, but now they're stopping. At least for the moment, it looks like they're stopping. No, they're going to take back the airfield, aren't they? And they did. If they'll advance. Yeah. All right. So they got their airfield back again. Oh. Jeez, they just keep, all these troops they just keep coming up with. It's unbelievable. So they want to hold Bardia, that's for sure. Ah, look at that. Gee. Man. Ooh, you're a little low there to be flying out to the attack, buddy. Man, he disappeared up here somewhere. So, excuse me. Okay. What? That's a weird sound effect. Sounds like rain. Commander Erwin Rommel got wounded again. Second time in this Sandstorm game. Man. Rommel's just not having a good war here so far. Okay, you are going to go away. I guess that's supposed to be a dust storm sound? That's not how a dust storm sounds if you've never been in one. Yikes, that's not a good exchange. Let's pull you over here then. Reinforce you. Boy, you need to be reinforced. I think we'll just leave. Yeah, let's just leave him where he's at. Reinforce him. Well, I'm gonna. Boy, not doing as good here as I want to do. We hurt him a little bit, but where are all my... Oh, here. Here's one. Let's see if we can knock this guy out. Come on, get him, boys. Get him. Yes, very good. Secondly, let's see if we can get this guy. All right, well, we got him now. Let's just hope you get back home safely. I'm a little nervous about that. All right, and you, We're going to advance. Oh, a little too fast. Really? I get 2 out of him? I'll take it. Okay. Now this. I want this back. But let's take advantage. See if we can kill this guy while we got a chance. Yeah. Let's do it. I'll reinforce you later. Nice. Okay, now we have this German unit, which we're bringing up for the purpose of, obviously, attacking. So, let's bring you up here. Can this guy hurt anybody? Maybe. Yes, got him. Very nice. You're going to pull back. You're going to reinforce. We are going to... You know what? Let's just switch and bombard. Let's try it. And let's reinforce them. I think he's all right where he is. These guys, let's... Ooh. Too good to pass up, man. Really hurt them, but don't advance. Not yet. We're not advancing. Now, can these guys fire in the Sandstorm? They can. Nice. Let's weaken their arty. Okay. All right, I'll take that. I'll take one off. What about this? All right, let's pick on this guy. Come on, get him. What about you? Maybe. All right, we'll push him back. I'll take that. What is this? It's a pack gun. Any aircraft. Oh, man, I could use more infantry. Can I buy anything? Let's see. Show me my dead guys. I still wish I could bring some of these guys back. But I guess can I only do that between? I guess I can. Oh, well. All right. I want infantry. I want... Really? No. See, without transport, they're just... What about Bersalagi? Yes. Revive destroyed units. Yes. Oh, I see how this works now. Okay, well, if you're going to be that way, let's continue. What have I got? A destroyed unit under the Germans that I want to... Oh, they got some heavy infantry. I got a bunker I don't need. I sure don't need that. Let's go with the... That's tempting, but let's go with heavy infantry. All right, Germans, heavy infantry, truck. I can't do it. Can't do it. You know, I just realized I can buy a Stuka. I do not have a Stuka. Gotta have a Stuka. What was I thinking not buying a Stuka? Am I insane or what? Must have been. Because you gotta have a Stuka. I mean, come on. It's a Stuka. Everybody's got to have one if you're going to play the Germans. Okay. He can... what happens if I... You can't... oh, nothing because I can't attack him. Okay. I think we're done out here, which is really where the action's at the moment. I think they're in Tobruk at any rate. Continue. Ooh. Yeah, oh boy. Those tanks are going to beat them up bad. All right. They cut me off. Curses. I gotta get a tank down there in a hurry. If I can't, that might not even work. Dang it. Should have been on the lookout. AI is very good at doing the cutoff thing, man. Very, very good. Ooh, that hurt. And we didn't hurt him in return at all. That's bad. And they're going to make sure I can't get back that way. Ah, here they go. Ooh, hello, we got some Germans here. So that's why they came over, I guess. We got more Germans coming for you, pal. Just wait. Did we... maybe a little... Ah, run away, Italians. You've had it. Pull back to Bardia. I think... I don't know. I'm going to have to wait and see. Uh-oh. 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 They're going to try and kill these guys. They're going to decimate them if they don't. Yeah, here we go. Crap. Crap! They were almost full strength last turn. They're just getting chewed up. Dang it. Talk about frustrating. Getting them out of here is not going to be easy. Ooh. Alright, well, we almost killed that guy. Might be one way out. Alright. Oh, sheesh. We got him, but I don't know what good he's going to do anybody. Well. Looks like a dangerous place to put him, but we got to do something. Dang it. That just didn't work at all. That sucks. All right, let's get you back over near the airfield. Let's get you down here. Let's pull you out here and see what's going on. You guys both need to be strengthened in a bad, bad way. I'd love to find out what's coming on down here. Let's see if we can see anything. They're just going to come right into your flank. So I guess we're going to pull up there but not attack. Get my strength up a little bit. This guy's irrelevant, really. Fighters. Where? All right, let's do a little scouting. See if that'll... That was... Oh. Where's my... There. All right, we got a plane over here. And, City Rezez, Gambit, okay. All right, now what do we do? Since the one thing didn't work for me, I've got nothing I can get down there. So just going to have to hope this works and I can escape. Sort of, but not really. I can come down here if I want this guy chewed to pieces. But even that doesn't link me up. He's still going to die. I don't see any way out of this where my tanks don't die. Oh, there is some. What's in there? Colonial infantry, huh? All right, let's reinforce. Let's pull you up here. See if I can get lucky. And I do slightly. Only slightly. Okay. I'm afraid you're on your own, buddy. I'll do this for you. Probably going to regret it. But if I can pull him off you, you might survive. But you're probably doomed. Thanks to my brilliant leadership. What, you can't fire? Come on. we hurt these guys? All right, we can hurt you anyway. Still can't attack. How about this? Yes. All right, pushing in towards the airport yet again. Man, this airport's gone back and forth. Good, kill him. Ah, almost. Shoot. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Now, let's hope he doesn't get a wild hair and decide to run around out here and mess everything up, which would not surprise me. Okay, Italians, let's strengthen you. Let's strengthen you. Let's pull you up here. Ooh, yeah, definitely want to hit this guy. All right, he is in a bad way. So are you. All right, let's think about this for a minute. Let's bring you up. Since you're all I can hit, I will. Stuka. Yes. Can you fire? You can. You can't do anything to anybody. It doesn't look like, but let's maybe there. Might get lucky. No. Ah, can't do that. You, though, can. You can bombard that, or that will do that. Just see if we can wear him down a little bit. Ooh, good. All right, so that's gone. He's going to get reinforced. He's been reinforced. He's been reinforced. Okay. Can I... Doesn't look like I can afford to buy anything else, but you never know, so let me just see if maybe... If I can't do heavy, how about... Bersalagi, how about engineer? How about just straight infantry? No. Germans. Infantry. Engineers. Nope. Nope, nope. Well, obviously, if I can't do that, I can't do a tank, right? So, all right, we're stuck with what we got, guys. What we've got is not very satisfying. I have to say, this last turn messed me up. Not happy with it. Ah, there's that artillery unit. Oh, two of them. All right, Italians. That's your target. They are still fighting. I'll give the Brits guts, man. They are fighting to the end here. But that eastern end of the Tobruk perimeter is looking pretty weak. But here we go. They're going to kill him. He's going to die right now. Well, not right now, but this turn. They've got too many units that can... Yeah, here we go. Instead of hitting the trucks, they're hitting them, and that's their swan song. Dang it. So, what was looking really good 2 turns ago now looks bad. Oh, and he snuck up on me. Curses. All right. So the airfield near Bug is where they're coming from. Ah, look at that. The old switcheroony. Uh-oh. I think this Italian unit may have bought the farm. Run away, Italians. Run. Flee for your... You're not fleeing far or fast enough. Flee. Flee. Flee! And you're dead. My Italians are cracking under the strain here. Ah, geez, look at my Germans down 50%. Bad. That's not good either. Ooh, 2. Jeez. I didn't land that other fighter, did I? Uh-oh. Well, we're pulling them away, so that's good. They have to pull back to here to fight us off. At least they're not pushing forward, so there's something good. For those of you that always try to find the good in everything. Let's come down here. He must have landed. Can I get there? I can. Okay. Speaking of air power, I can get one on that or that or that. What about... Yeah, let's do this. Might be able to help wipe this guy out. You should be able to take him now. Good. Let's take that back. Chew that up. See if we can kill this guy with artillery. Would be helpful. Doesn't look like it's going to happen. It's not. All right, let's swing you around. Hit it. Speed on this guy a little bit. Let's get you reinforced. And we're going to have to start chewing on you again. I don't suppose you can... you can. Yeah, let's... If we could get this guy in the red, it would really help. Look at that. Well, I got to do it, I guess. Gotta keep pushing. Yep. All right. Let's bombard. It probably won't help any. Couldn't hurt. I guess. Let's just pull you up here. Yeah, let's do that. Open up another little front maybe here. Might give him... I should have pulled this guy over there if I was going to do that. All right. How many turns do we have left? Only one turn. So I'm not taking Tobruk. Lost track of my time. Bad thing to do in this game, especially Sandstorm. Oh. Really? Let's get him there and land. Let's get you there and land. Thank you. Continue. Well, I'd basically say this has been a draw. Except that really, when you look at it from an offensive point of view for the British, they have not accomplished their goal. Oh, I should have pulled him back. Gonna regret that now. He's gonna get chewed up. Yeah. See if he can survive this turn. I forgot about him too. And I forgot about the other Italian tank unit I was going to send after the artillery. Dang it. They're re-strengthening, but it's over basically, right? Yeah. No point in taking any further casualties. We're not getting there. We've dented their perimeter big time, but... Oh gosh, is he not going to kill me? Come on, don't kill him, don't kill him, don't kill him, don't kill him, don't kill him. Thank you. Good job, run away. Personally, if I was going to judge this just from a battle perspective, I would say the defense won because we're still basically holding what we needed to. But I don't know how the game will judge it. I do know you're getting out of dodge. You are getting out of dodge. Let's pull you back here. And we'll strengthen him. Oh, yeah. The artillery, which was out here somewhere. There we go. No sense in attacking now. Let's just stay where we are. Because we can't... Yeah, you can't take it. There's no... 385, yeah, no. Can't take it, so there's no point doing anything but just reinforcing and waiting out. Let's pull this guy back just a little bit so they can't do the surroundy thing on me, which they love doing. And you will get strengthened. We'll strengthen all these guys, might as well. Pull you up and strengthen you. Just to give the Italians a little bit of a morale boost. Look what you did, guys. You caved in part of the perimeter. So you didn't do terribly. Let's pull him back here. And we could advance, but there's no point in it, so... And, where's my Stuka? What did I do with it? Isn't it? Stuka Vaio. Oh, these guys. That was my... Yeah. Well, let's go ahead and... Yeah, couldn't kill him, but got close. Oh. Panzer 3. Panzer 4. Let's do that. So where did I can't find my Stuka. Oh, there's my Stuka. You know what? I'm not even gonna... Yeah, let's just land it. Speaking of planes, let's see. You will get strengthened. And you will not get strengthened. All right. Withdrawal. To preserve our fighting strength, all Axis forces have withdrawn. Really? Abandoning our positions around Tobruk. So, well, that was bad. I actually, like I said, I think this was more of a defensive victory, but obviously they don't care what I think. I don't, sure. Let's just see where this takes. Does this take me back? It does. Okay, guys. We may let me think about what I'm going to do in the next video, because I'm not going to drag you through all the snares you've already seen before. I may start from scratch, or I may just pick up in there if I've got one saved, which I don't think I do, but I might. So I'll check. So anyway, check with me next time. There'll be more Sandstorm coming your way. So until next time, everybody, take care. And thanks for watching. Be sure and subscribe if you haven't, and give me a thumbs up if you'd like to. But hit that notification bell. I know it's annoying. All the YouTube guys are saying it, and I know why, because I haven't been, and my views are way down because a lot of you don't know when these things come out. So if you want to make sure you don't miss one, hit the bell. Till next time, this is the Wargaming Guy saying thanks for watching. Take care, and I will see you later.